Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I collect petunia seeds. This year, I recently put up these hanging basket flowers on my fence. It turned this old, boring fence into a really pretty site with all the different color flowers. Now, in this video, we're just talking about the petunia seeds. I have other variety of flowers in this video that's shown, but the ones that are the petunias are these pink flowers. So I got this hanging basket from Lowe's, and I'm not sure if it is an heirloom plant or a hybrid plant. If you don't know, a hybrid plant, if you take the seeds off of it and plant them, the plant that comes out of the seeds might not look identical to the parent plant that you took it off of. Okay, so I'm filming this video in the fall time. If you look around your petunia plant and see a little bit of brown, like something's dying, you might see the seed pod. Now the seed pod looks like this, and you want it to be brown and crispy and dry. You do not want it to be green. If it's green, the seeds might not be ready yet. If it's got a little split in it, or if it's slightly open, the seeds are ready to disperse, and you can just pluck those right off of the plant. Just for a basic understanding on where to find the seed pod, if you pull off these dead flowers, they should come off very easily. You shouldn't have to pull very hard. You'll see a green center underneath, and this is where the start of the seed pod is. In the next couple days or weeks, however long it takes, it will produce mature seeds inside, and then it'll die off, turn brown, and be ready to disperse. And whenever it's ready and brown, that's whenever you're going to collect the seed pods. I collect my seed pods in just a normal little baggie, just to easily carry them inside or wherever I'm going to be sorting through my seeds. What I recommend is to have like a paper towel underneath. I don't have any paper towels right now, so I'm just using a piece of paper, but you're gonna want a paper towel if you need to set them out to dry out. If they are wet, you might want to set them out on the paper towel for like up to a week to dry out. You do not want to store these wet or with any moisture, because they will mold and then they will not be viable seeds anymore. I got this seed box from, I believe it was Menards back around the holidays, and it was on sale. You can just use any box. You want to store your seeds in a cool, dark place where no light can get to them. I also bought these little teeny tiny sandwich bags on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below if you guys want to order some. What I do is I squeeze both ends like this, and then I just pour the paper into that. I couldn't film it because I'm by myself and it would be too difficult, and I didn't want to spill them everywhere. But after you get all of your seeds in your baggie, you want to label them. This is an old label, it's not petunias, it's a different type of flower. But you can either get an adhesive paper and write on it yourself with just a pen, or you can print out your own. It takes a little more time, but if you're planning on selling your seeds, or even just wanting this information on your packet, it's very helpful. Also, make sure you put the date on there. Now it takes about, I believe, 7 to 10 days for petunia seeds to germinate, but they should look like this whenever they start out young. I just sprinkled them inside of my seed trays. Once they get to a decent size, you're gonna want to take those out and give them some nutrients and bigger space to grow. But yeah, that's about it. I highly suggest, if you have any hanging basket flowers, you just save your baskets so you don't have to buy any. If you save them over the years, you should accumulate a lot of different baskets. This can save you a lot of money just for not going to the store and buying your own flowers, especially if you already have your baskets. Thank you guys for watching my video. I do have an Instagram dedicated to gardening and seeds and everything I do outside. It's called Grown by Megan. Thank you for watching. If this helped you out, please subscribe to my channel. I am a new channel right now, so I'd appreciate anyone who subscribes.